It's a bird frenzy.
Yep.
Whoa.
Oh, I hit the big bird.
Oh no.
Oh, but I did, okay, guys, the party's over. Sorry.
Time for a fiesta. And then later maybe a siesta. They're all lined up, waiting, hoping for more nuts from the people who are nuts. And Iris is just the observer, enjoying the view.
Iris has you have to take her to the bathroom.
Okay. We will. In un minuto. Birds of a feather flock together. Very true, very true. Hi guys.
Okay.
And off he goes. Off they go. Bye bye, birdies. Bye bye, nuts. And sayonara. Adios, amigos. As we finish our walk through the park and clean Iris up again, we will see you next time in the Jackie video series, the Jackie and Frankie Productions. And see you later, alligator. This was a nice day in the neighborhood at John Prince Park. Hi. And the weather is going to change soon. It's supposed to rain. So we will see you next time. Take care and Happy New Year. It's the Jewish New Year. Ciao.